So here's how to rank your SEO content in Google and AI platforms like ChatGPT. Step number 1, pick a valuable keyword you can actually compete on. For example, there's a website ranking in the top 5 for sump pump repair Chicago that has a DR of 0. That means if your website has even a tiny bit of authority, you'll be able to outrank them. Use Ahrefs' lowest DR filter to find more keywords with weak competition. So now that you've selected a keyword, it's time for step number 2, which is create a knowledge base. So open ChatGPT, go to projects, and create a new project for your SEO campaign. This project should act as the brain behind your SEO content. It's absolutely critical because it'll help you create SEO content that's unique and on brand. Start by creating a document that includes information like business basics like brand name, website, phone, address, etc., what products or services you offer, what makes your products or services different compared to the competition, social proof like testimonials and Google reviews, and policies or guarantees. Then upload this file to your ChatGPT project. And if you want to go to the next level, I recommend uploading sales call transcripts, NPS surveys, or anything that gives the AI context. And once you're done, ask the AI some questions about details that are specific to the documents you've uploaded. It'll then respond and usually cite where it retrieved that information in the files. This is what's called grounding, meaning the AI won't make stuff up. It'll prioritize the documents you've given it instead of just going to the web or hallucinating. Now moving on to step number 3, which is research to build an intelligent SEO content brief. This step is critical for both human and AI written content. Create a Google Sheet to collect all of your competitors, then start with Google by entering your keyword, exporting the top 10 competitors using the Data Scraper Chrome extension, and add it to your sheet. Next, open ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI mode. Then go to the free AI search query generator on Rankability, enter your seed keyword, and the tool will convert it to natural language prompts. Now run one of these prompts on all 3 AI platforms. In ChatGPT, click on sources, then use the bookmarklet that I'll have below the video to export all the citations. Add these to the Google Sheet and then repeat on the other platforms. Now export this list of competitors, open ChatGPT, select agent, and use this prompt. Copy the report and add it to a Google Doc. Now for step number 4, create an SEO-driven outline. So go to the ChatGPT project for the campaign and upload the competitor research report you just created. Then use this prompt to create an outline with ChatGPT's thinking model. It'll then produce an intelligent SEO-driven outline that's relevant and on brand. Which brings us to step number 5, create your first draft. If you're using AI, you can just follow up in the same thread and ask it to write the draft based on the outline using this prompt. At this stage, bring a human into the loop to verify facts, and then once the copy passes quality control, it's time for step number 6, which is page design. Most local businesses just slap content on a page without designing the page for conversions, and this is a massive mistake. If it's a keyword that has commercial intent, the page should be built to convert. Go into the same thread you've created the outline and draft in and enter the following prompt. Once the wireframe is done, just send this off to a designer and get the page published. Now this entire SEO content system might seem like it's incredibly difficult and complex to set up, but it's completely automated for you using Rankability's new copywriter tool. You just enter your target keyword and domain, and the system will automatically detect the intent. Next, and most important, is to enter or speak about why this brand is unique and better than the competition. There's a meter that will measure the uniqueness level. Then just add relevant URLs like the service page and click the toggle to use the knowledge base you'll have built within Rankability. Copywriter then does all of the heavy lifting for research. It finds all of your competitors for this keyword across 9 search engines and AI platforms, extracts their content, and creates a content strategy and outline ready for your approval. Once you approve, the AI crafts a highly relevant draft that covers all the important topics and entities and includes unique content about your brand. I'll post a special link below for you to try it. So the last question is, what do you do after you publish your perfect SEO asset? Well, the work has just begun because now you have to do a few things. First, you need to track your performance. Just throw your keyword into Rankability's AI search analyzer and it'll help you track your performance across AI platforms like ChatGPT and Google's AI mode. Second, look for internal linking opportunities. So run a screaming frog crawl on your website, export the report, add a filter, and go to the title column. Search for relevant pages where you can add internal links. If you don't find many relevant pages, it's a symptom of poor topical coverage. And that brings me to step number 2 in the post-publish process, which is to make more topically relevant pages and content. So find your top competitor, run them through Screaming Frog, export the report, and search for pages that are relevant to your asset. Or if you want to keep it simple, just use a site colon search like this in Google. In this case, I'm looking for commercial pages related to sump pumps. And within a few seconds, I found sump pump plumbing inspection and sump pump battery backups, which are both perfect for supporting our primary topic. So now all you have to do is repeat this same process from this video for these new pages. And the last step to creating SEO content that ranks is to build website authority through backlink acquisition. So the first technique is to reverse engineer your competitors. Just find your top organic search competitor, run them through Ahrefs' link intersect tool, and you'll see where they've acquired backlinks. This is your first group of targets. Next, sign up for featured, quoted, or Haro. You can then use your knowledge base to respond to these press requests on behalf of your client. And if you want to take this to the next level, make sure you conduct a subject matter expert interview during new client onboarding. I explain this entire process inside of Search OS. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT's agent to automate link prospecting for pretty much any link type like donations and guest posts. I'll have the prompts below the video, and watch the next video to learn what AI SEO skills you need to master this year.